Now let us see what you can do if you want to call a distributor. To call a distributor, you can click on the primary button. Your distributor list will appear. Let us say I want to call this distributor called Green Tech Enterprises. I'll click on the plus button, but you can see that the call feature is not available in primary. In case of primary, there is another way to do it. You can see these 4 logos. The one with the cell phone logo, if you click on that, start. I'm currently disconnecting the call, but let us assume the call is running in the background. You're talking to the distributor. You simply click on the plus button and come to the order screen. You keep on discussing whatever you want to discuss with them. If you want, you can take an order. Then you can click on primary activity. Here you can talk about what all you have done during the call. For example, I've done sales planning. I've done a discussion on other things. For example, I've done discussion on collection. Then I go to summary. I will see that I have placed an order. I have also filled in the information for what all I have done. I have done sales planning and I have talked about collection. Please note, even if you are not placing an order, it is important to start the call. Fill in what all you have done in the primary activity tab. Go to summary. Review this screen. Make sure you deselect on location because you're not at that location. Click on next. I will quickly edit the order. Please note, this is a sample order. Actual prices may vary. I'll go back to the summary screen. Now my order has been edited. I'll click on next. Skip the collection button. Do my signature again. And then place the order by clicking on the submit button. This is how you will be able to capture your calls even when you are not going to the market. Please note, it is very important that you still keep on capturing your calls even if the market is not operating. Please keep calling your distributors and retail